This video will familiarize you with Los Angeles Valley College's Program Mapper. The purpose of the Program Mapper is to show the different career and academic pathways offered at LAVC. Each program map shows the recommended courses you would need to take each semester as a full-time student, as well as showing you the different courses required for your specific degree. This is a good way to plan for upcoming semesters and to make sure you are on the right path towards graduation or transfer. The Program Mapper can be accessed by following the link below. Once on the website, you can explore the different career and academic pathways by scrolling down and clicking on the subject group that you wish to explore. For example, if you are a business student, you can click on the Business, Entrepreneurship, and Law pathway, which will take you to a list of degrees offered in that program. From here, you can click on the degree to explore further. You can also reach the degree page by searching for your degree in the search bar. On the Degrees page, there is a brief introduction about the degree, as well as program learning outcomes. Use these to learn more about the program and what you will be able to do with a degree in this field. Below the program learning outcomes, you can find the Salary, Growth, and Career section, which will give you information about the different careers related to the program. Additional career information is available from the Career and Transfer Center. The final part of the page shows you the program map. The program map is a detailed look at the courses that a student could take each semester to be able to complete the 2-year plan. This 2-year path can be completed by taking a minimum of 15 units a semester, but it can also be adjusted. For more information about adjusting your student educational plan, please consider meeting with a counselor. There is a Make an Appointment button that will take you to the counseling homepage where you can schedule an appointment to talk with a counselor. On the Program Mapper, you can see different colored courses. The colors for each course correspond to different categories. Pink courses are degree or major requirements, green courses are general education requirements, and yellow courses are electives. You can click on a course to open a window where more information about the course can be viewed, such as different prerequisites. Some program maps allow you to toggle between different versions of the course map. You may see options for CSU, UC, or career degree maps where there are significant differences between those paths. These will show the recommended courses and associated general education requirements related to transfer and career goals. Even if only a single map option is shown, general education requirements can be adjusted depending on your transfer goals. It is important that you meet with a counselor to develop a comprehensive educational plan to ensure you are taking the correct courses tailored to your specific needs. Another useful tool on the Program Mapper website is the Career Explorer section. Found in the Career and Academic Pathways section, the Career Explorer shows you different careers as well as average salary and job growth that could be available to you if you decide to focus on this specific program. As you progress in your education journey here at LAVC, we hope that the Program Mapper will help guide you to academic success.